Okay, so with no further ado, I'm going to announce the winners to the Thonk charity competition this year. We've raised £13,000 for Doctors Without Borders, MSF. They're doing amazing work all around the world. So let's go ahead, spin the wheel and see who's won prize one. So prize one going to Otto. Otto, we'll be shipping this to you in January, and we're waiting until after Christmas. Not going to ship these on Christmas Eve, just in case. Prize two goes to KSA. KSA, you've won prize two. We're not showing everyone's full emails for privacy reasons. We have everyone's emails on file, that's all fine. Some people chose to keep their name anonymous. That's perfectly fine. Prize three goes to Dealey. Dealey, well done. Congratulations. Let's see who's won prize four. Prize four is going to Nick Solars. Nick, congratulations. You're a winner. Thanks for your donation. Next up, prize five is going to Shane. Shane, congratulations. Thanks for your donation. So finally, final prize is prize six, which was added after we blasted through our £5,000 target. Prize six, which is a really nice bundle, is going to Phil Miller. Phil, congratulations. That's it. Thanks everyone. Thanks so much for helping us raise such a meaningful amount of money. Hopefully it can help people in Palestine and further afield in Ukraine and all the other places that Doctors Without Borders operate. Thank you. Have a good Christmas and New Year. Bye-bye.